Sorry for the inconvenience. So if we talk about what health and agriculture, then also the economy will impact, and it leads to hamper the development. Also, the water scarcity can create conflict between two sectors, two community, and some countries, state, as you are seeing uh, in Delhi's news that communities are fighting over water. So uh, this is because of water scarcity. And at last, sanitation. Water scarcity can lead to inadequate sanitation and hygiene. So basically, these are the effects of water scarcity in India. Not only in India, you will find in other parts of world as well. Then come to solution to overcome water scarcity in India. So earlier we talked about the effects, problems. Now come to solution. So what kind of solution to overcome water scarcity in India? First of all, we have to take uh, we have to go for rejuvenation, conservation of water bodies. Then we have to go for rainwater harvesting, groundwater management. We have to change our agriculture practices, and lastly, recycling and reusing the water. Some of the initiatives which are taken by the central government of India, as you may all know about MGNREGS, Jal Shakti Abhiyan, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, Atal Bhujal Yojana, uh, Amrut, Amrut 2.0, Mission Amrit Sarovar. So these are some initiatives which are taken by government of India to overcome the water scarcity. Mission Amrit Sarovar is a new initiative which was launched in year 2022. So the main motto of that mission is to create at least 75 ponds in a district to conserve the uh, uh, rainfall or for use of the community as well as to recharge the groundwater. Now we talk about the problem and solution. Now comes to rainwater harvesting. So what is rainwater harvesting? I'm not going uh, in detail to definition. As you see in the picture, there is some clouds, some rain is there, and we are collecting the water in a bucket. So basically, to collect the rainwater in forms of any form is called rainwater harvesting. In urban areas, rainwater can be collected from the roof. In rural areas, you can also collect it from the roof. In like desert part of India, they collected on uh, a structure called taka, and they are constructing their field also, and they collect the rainwater for their agricultural practices as well as their drinking purpose. So these are the some basic rainwater harvesting. If you talk about monthly average rainfall information, so there is a website called India Varis. Uh, I will go detail after the session on what are the website and how can we get the data related to uh, rainfall, groundwater, and other things. So now the question comes: why rainwater harvesting? So basically, why we are doing rainwater harvesting? To arrest groundwater decline and augment groundwater table, or water quality in aquifers, to conserve surface water runoff during monsoon, to reduce soil erosion, to reduce urban flooding. So rainwater harvesting will help in reduce urban flooding. If we well manage our rain, then the urban flooding consequences might uh, happen, like a little happen in the city. Next, where to construct the rainwater harvesting structure in individual buildings, colonies, apartments, in schools, college, universities, commercial complex, hospitals, industries. So you can create anywhere the rainwater harvesting structure. So basically, there are some components of rainwater harvesting, that is roof, terrace, and we can use it for direct recharge, or you can do the groundwater recharge as well. How to harvest rainwater? So broadly, there are two ways of harvesting rainwater: surface runoff harvesting and rooftop rainwater harvesting. So surface runoff harvesting you can do in your city as well, in your rural area as well. So there are some techniques, there are some structure where you can construct in city, and there are some structure which you are constructing your uh, rural areas as well. Rooftop rainwater harvesting. So rooftop rainwater harvesting is a system of catching rainwater where it falls. In rooftop rainwater harvesting, the roof catchment is there, and downtake pipe is there, first flush system is there, filter mechanism is there, storage tank, and now uh, recharge system is there. So these are some uh, details of rainwater harvesting. This method is uh, less expensive and very effective. And if it's implemented properly, then it will help to uh, recharge the groundwater as well, and also it will reduce our our dependency on supply water. Now, come concept of rainwater harvesting lies in tapping the rainwater from where it falls, and there are some techniques of rainwater harvesting. Is there. So we can use the harvested rainwater in two ways. In direct use, the process of collecting and storing the rainwater by construction of some through filters of future productive use. And second one is artificial recharge to groundwater. Recharge the groundwater through constructing some artificial structure, uh, which will help in augment the groundwater. Now come to rainwater harvesting potential. So the amount of rainwater that can be harvested depends on the catchment area, rainfall of that area. Rainfall is differ area to area. In Delhi, you'll uh, find rainfall of some uh, other amount in some other areas. Some other collection efficiency, which depends on properties of catchment surface, leakage in the system. Quality of rainwater depends upon properties of catchment surface and the filter system. The management of rainwater harvesting, catchment, conveyance, first flush, filter media. First, we talk about catchment. So what is a catchment? A catchment is a structure or land area that is used to collect rainwater and drain runoff. It could be either paved or unpaved. So in the image, you are seeing that there is a flat roof is there and a sloping roof is there. So you can use both flat roof as well, sloping roof as well for catchment. And you can collect rainwater for your storage as well as the uh, groundwater recharge. Some roof catchment which are advised not to use as asbestos sheets because it's leached fiber are highly toxic. So it is advised not to use the asbestos sheets. Next, chemically treated roof. So if your roof is chemically treated, so it is advised not to use the roof, painted roof. If your roof is painted, then also it's advised not to use. So next time, what to avoid? I've also talked about in earlier slide, special sheet chemically treated. So next come to type of surface materials and their characteristics. So if flat roof is there and it is made of concrete, cement sheets, china chips, then it's safe and clean, and it will go for harvesting. If uh, the treated roof is there, treated roof with some chemical things, so it is not advised to go there. If we talk about unpaved surfaces, then lawn, parks, gardens, uh, it's used for rainwater harvesting. Playground and courtyard also used for rainwater harvesting. Now come to conveyance system. Conveyance or conduit system, direct water flow from the catchment area to a storage area. A carefully designed and constructed conveyance system can divert more than 90% of the waterfalls on the roofs. So the importance of conveyance system is the important part of rainwater harvesting. So you have to design carefully, uh, and this will help to get more and more rain for storage as well as recharge. First flush system, then come to the first flush system. It is also more important for rainwater harvesting because when it rains and we have to flush the first uh, rain because there are some toxic materials in your roof is present there. So uh, during the first flush, it will wash away, and after that, you have to build some first flush system in the pipeline, and after first flush close it, then it will go to storage as well as recharge. Filter media is also important. It will help to trap silt and other particles, and it will clear the water from impurities, and then after we can go for recharge. So what to do with the harvested rainwater? Majorly, we can use the harvesting rainwater in storage, artificial recharge into aquifer, then recharge comes storage. We can store rainwater in many forms, and uh, underground system or overground system. So earlier I was talking about Taka. So Taka is one of the traditional example of rainwater harvesting, and it's used by the people of Thar desert in the western Rajasthan part of India. So basically, it's a collection system. Yeah, it constructed nearby the uh, house or in their agriculture field as well. So in the picture, you are seeing that uh, this is the structure. A person is taking water from him, and also you see some slopey area is there and one open hole is there. So basically, when it rains, it got collected from all these area and go to the directly go to the storage tank. So in the desert area of Rajasthan, only 100 to 200 mm uh, rainfall is there. So basically, they collect rainwater for their drinking purposes as well as their agriculture purposes. So there's a case study which I covered on rainwater harvesting. So in the picture, you are seeing that there is a taka is there also, uh, flat surface is there, and behind that you are seeing some trees are there. So basically, they are not trees; they are pomegranate farming. So uh, if you go to the link, you will find the detail about this story that how a farmer of a block. Uh, constructed a rainwater uh, harvesting system in his field, and uh, like doubled or tripled his income by using rainwater harvesting. So this is all about the better management of rainwater harvesting. Uh, Next come to recharge. So recharge refers to collecting rainwater and directing into ground to replenish groundwater level. The process help increase the ability of underground water, supporting sustainable water use. So in the picture you are seeing that uh, a roof surface is there, and we recharge is happening through some pipe. Now come why groundwater recharge. So basically, the question comes in our mind that why we are doing the groundwater recharge. It helps in water supply. So if the groundwater recharge is happening, it will help in water supply, in farming, in drinking as well, and it will help in industry as well. It will increase our ecosystem health. So recharge keeps river alive, lake alive, and wetlands healthy, and as well as the supporting plants and animal. Um, Next, come to drought resilience. It provides extra water during dry times when other sources might be low. So groundwater is important. Soil moisture. So it will help to keep the soil wet, which is important for growing crops. Next come prevention of land subsidence. So there is a term called land subsidence. So in parts of uh, Punjab, in near to Mohali, there is some land subsidence is happening due to the over extraction of groundwater. In Delhi, near to Indira Gandhi International Airport, there is an area called Tapas Heda. So also, some scientists have also found that land subsidence is happening in the city area due to over extraction of groundwater, and they used some satellite techniques as well as they visited to the location where the land subsidence is happening, and they found that in last 1 decade the dependency of uh, groundwater is uh, doubled, as well as the extraction is tripled in 10 years. So the land subsidence is happening due to that. Next, come to climate change adaptation. So the recharge will help to ensure there is enough water, uh, which will help in adapting the climate. So uh, in these days, as all of us facing the heat, and this is due to the climate change. So if we recharge our groundwater, then it will help to fight the climate change in terms of um, water availability. Next, come to groundwater recharge. So groundwater recharge can be done through recharge pit, through recharge trenches, through recharge shaft, also through injection wells. Next, come to storage come recharge. Also, you can store the rainwater as well as you can recharge the rainwater. So as you see in the picture, uh, storage facility is there, also recharge facility is there. So you can use your rainwater in both uh, storage as well and recharge as well. How to decide? How to decide that we need to recharge or we need to storage and recharge? So basically, there are some parameters, there are some condition, and some recommended structure is there. So if the nature of aquifer is impermeable, non-porous, or it's a hard rock area, then we have to go for storage. Depth of groundwater table is more than 8 meters, then we have to go recharge and storage. Nature of terrain is hilly, rocky, or undulating, then we have to go for storage. If it's uniform or flat, then we have to go for recharge and storage. Also, nature of soil is very important. If it's clay soil, then we have to go for storage. If the soil is sandy or it's alluvial or it's loamy, we have to go for recharge and storage. Next, nature of geological formation. So, which kind of formation is there? It also help to decide that should we recharge or recharge and storage. So, if massive rocks are there, such as Deccan traps, we have to go for a storage. If faulted or folded rocks is there, joint or fissure rock is there, then we have to go for recharge and storage. So, a fault line or a joint line will help us to identify the recharge location. Uh, After the slide, I will show one portal. I will also show one portal which help us to identify that where to recharge and where to storage. So there are some maps are there which also helping in deciding that where to construct the recharge structure, where to construct the storage structure. Nature of rainfall on monsoon is also playing the important role. So if the rainfall is uniformly distributed, then we have to go for it. Storage, and if the rainfall available only for few months, then we have to go for recharge and storage. Planning of rainwater harvesting structure. So if you are doing the planning of rainwater harvesting structure, it needs some information such as geological or hydrogeological data of that area, topographical data of that area, meteorological data is of that area, water demand information of that area. At, at last, purpose of rainwater harvesting structure construction. So you can get the geological or hydrogeological data from Geological Survey of India portal as well as Bhuvan portal, and one other portal is there, Bhukosh. You will get easily get the data from there in forms of KML files, save files in forms of PDF. So one can easily use on the portal. Next, topographical data. So the topographical data you can get from Survey of India portal. It's called Nakshe portal as well. So you can download the topo sheet of any area in India, and you can use it for better understanding or better planning. Also, Bhuvan portal is there, which will help to get you topographical data. Now comes to the meteorological data. So the meteorological data you can get from Indian Meteorological Department as well as India Varis portal. So I will show how you can get the data from India Varis portal after the presentation. And last, water demand information. So how much water uh, the area needs, it will done by the field survey as well as uh, the water supply departments. You can get the water demand information. Now come, what are the precautionary measures you have to follow while constructing rainwater harvesting. So it starts from roof or terraces used for harvesting should be clean, from free from dust, from algal plants. Nesting of birds on the roof should be prevented. Terraces should not be used of toilet either by human or by the pets. Do not use polluted water to recharge groundwater. Before recharging, some suitable arrangement for filtering should be provided. During rainy season, the whole system roof, catchment pipe, screen, first flush filter. Tanks should be checked and cleaned before every monsoon. So these are some precautionary measures you have to follow. Now come to monitoring the rainwater harvesting structure. So there are some uh, system you can use for monitoring the rainwater harvesting as well as the groundwater. So how much water you're catching through catchment region, reducing fresh water consumption. So if you are buying a tanker or if you're using the water from some departments, so how much you are using daily or in 1 month, uh, you can monitor through that how much of this you can using from your storage tank. So the water you store from rainwater harvesting, how much you're using and how much you're using from the outside. Or recharge. So for monitoring the groundwater levels, you can use piezometer. You can install piezometer and monitor the groundwater level of that area. So this will help you to the provide concrete evidence of impact of rainwater harvesting. Now come use of technology in rainwater harvesting. So as we all know, technology can play a crucial role in optimizing rainwater harvesting system, making them more efficient, effective, and sustainable. GIS, Geographic Information System, is one of the tools which help in site analysis as well as mapping water resources. By using the GIS, you can determine the site and most effective location for rainwater harvesting infrastructure, as well as it can create a map that show water availability, potential harvesting areas, and optimal distribution points. So we have a training campus called Anil Agrawal Environment Training Institute. So basically, it's a 10 acre of training campus where we harvesting the total rainwater. Anyone saying something? So we are harvesting the rainwater in from roof, from the road, and there is a video that how can we are harvesting rainwater from our training institute. I will upload in Moodle, so you will get more idea about that. Uh, that how we are harvesting and what is the use of that harvesting rainwater. So there are some case studies which done by Center for Science and Environment. There are some train catcher series is there. I will upload the video in Moodle. So I request everyone to go and watch the videos. So this is a little introduction about groundwater recharge and rainwater harvesting. Now comes to use of technology, that how the technology can help uh, in getting the data and how we can use uh, um, some maps for better analyzing of uh, groundwater recharge. So for that, I will start from uh, a portal called Bhuvan. Might be some of you all know about Bhuvan portal. So how many of you know about Bhuvan portal? Okay, okay. Okay, okay. So most of the people know about Bhuvan portal. So let me. Is my screen visual?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So basically, Bhuvan portal is a geo platform of Indian space research organization, which was created for visualization, asset mapping, and inventory creations, and more than 100 plus departments, agencies, they are contributing uh, in this platform. So you will get plenty of data from Bhuvan, starting from e-governance to tourism to urban. So since it's a urban flood trading, so if you want the data for urban growth or urban information system, simply go to urban information system, then go to search, select theme. Let's say we go for land use land cover. Select state, go to Delhi, view. You will see the land use land cover of Delhi. You can download the map as well. Also, you can download the statistics as well. Then you will get information about build up area, rural area, urban area, forest area. Next, rural is there, so you can get information about groundwater, water set, MG and REGS. Thematic services are there, so you can use these data for uh, your personal use or your some project planning, some DPR planning as well. Then state-wise application is there. So if you go to state-wise application, you'll find many data sets related to the state. If I go for Delhi or if I go for Maharashtra, then you'll find salt affected area, geology and mines. Lineament is there. Lineament basically refers to joints, fault, and uh, fractures in the earth's surface, which will help us to identify that where we have to recharge or we have to uh, avoid the recharge place. Then one more important map is there. It's called groundwater prospect. So can anybody tell me what is groundwater prospect and how we can understand the groundwater prospect map? Anyone?
Are these the areas where groundwater research can be prioritized?
Yeah. So basically, groundwater prospect is helping us to get information about how much water you can get at how much depth. In the legend, you are seeing that below 30-meter deep well, 800 liter per minute yield is there. So basically, in this portal, I'm showing you in the broader area. But if you have any area of interest, you can use your KML file for getting the uh, better accurate information. It will help us to get that where we have to focus. in terms of recharge or in terms of uh, harvesting. Then land use land cover is there. So basically, you can get land use land cover data as well. Then next, some urban information system is there. So for Maharashtra, the uh, urban information system done for Nasik, Pune, Thane. Uh, you'll see the details. If you on the legend, you'll find every detail is there. Water channel, uh, reservoirs, some commercial complex. Then come to the next portal, which is called India Varis, Varis or India Water Resource Information System. So basically, it's created by Ministry of Jal Shakti in 2018 to getting uh, all the data related to water at one place. So it will help you to get the data related to uh, everything of water at one place. So for getting some data, as say for if you are talking about uh, the flooding, so for uh, rainfall, you have to go to data download, go to time series data, go to search panel, select rainfall, select state, district, agency, start date, and you will get the data for your city. So let me start from the beginning. Start from water data. You can get surface water data from here, groundwater. So if anyone want to know the groundwater level of uh, their area, and go to groundwater, level behavior, groundwater level. Click here. Simply select the source, state, district, time step that you data want from in monthly, in daily, or in yearly. Then also data range, and it will provide the groundwater level data of 1 year or uh, 10 years. So basically in source, we go for Central Groundwater Board, state, let's say for Delhi. It will give you that how many monitoring station is there and how much station is already there and from how many monitoring station we are getting the data. It's running bit slow because there are so many users using the portal across India. You'll find, let's go for South District. There is no data for South District. Go for East Delhi. There is no data. So basically, see, there's a graph is there. It will give you total number of station, total monitoring station, also about the level as well. District, time step, date range, station type, and it will give the information about downloader level. Next is uh, land services. So you can get the soil type is from this water logging, soil salinity, but it's a bit old. Uh, uh, so it's not advised to use the data because it's like 20 years back of that soil salinity or water logging data. Now comes to hydrometeorological data. So You'll get data from evapotranspiration, soil moisture, and some other data sets is there. Flood indulation, uh, uh, 2008 to 2010, you can get drought affected areas map are there. Now comes to data download. So as I saw, you go to time series data, you can get rainfall, atmospheric pressure, groundwater level data. You can download from here. Now come to utilities. So if anyone have any specific area or point of interest, they want to inquire about, just go to GeoViewer, upload your KML file or SAFE file, and you can easily create a map within seconds. So this is the information about two portals which are used for the water resource management, and also the maps or the data you can use for uh, your other purposes. Now comes to uh, there is a small uh, you can say software, or it's called Google Earth Pro. So how many of you know about Google Earth Pro?
Hello, I have been using it since it was available in uh, India and Goa, and I've used it very effectively to monitor violation of environmental laws and all. It's extremely powerful,
Yes, sir.
and
Yes,
it is very simple to use with very good
yes, sir.
degree of resolution with historical imagery and all.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
it can be used extremely effectively on mobile also.
yes, yes, yes. So I'm showing the Google Earth Pro, use of Google Earth Pro, and the maps I have shown you. You can pull up all the map in Google Earth Pro for your use. So just give me 1 minute. Then after, sorry. So now we will discuss about use of Google Earth Pro. So as I've asked, only 2-3 people know about Google Earth Pro. So should I go from the beginning, or should I go from some at the middle? Anyone advise? Should I go from the beginning, that how to download and how to use? Anyone?
See,
I
for
think
those who are not
answer.
familiar, it is advisable that you spend around 5 minutes on this.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay.
Thank you for being kind, sir.
So for Google Earth Pro download, simply go to your browser, type Google Earth Pro download. Simply download it. It will install in your system. Then come to the software part. You open system. So this is the interface of Google Earth Pro. After downloading in your system, you'll find some tabs and some information in Google Earth Pro. So let me start from beginning. File, you can save the work you're doing on Google Earth. You can open, like you can use save file, KML file, and other like JSON data, GPX data in Google Earth for your use. Simply go open and you can upload it. Edit. So edit is not working in Indian version. And go to view. So in view you can full screen and some other information is there. You can use tools. So in tools you can create rural table, GPS, movie maker, regionate. In add, you can add folder, add place mark, path, polygon, model, photo, image overlay, networking, etc. So let us start from the uh, what are the tools in Google Earth Pro. First one is place mark. So for like say I'm searching from mm, Delhi 8 CSC. Let's I go for this building, search here. You can search the place you want to work on that. I'm searching for, let's say, go for our training institute. So this is our residential training institute. And here I will explain that how can use different tabs for that. So the first one is add place mark. So for getting information about any place, latitude, longitude, you can use the place mark tab. It's also called as point tab. Just simply go click here, you will get the latitude and longitude. Next one is polygon. So a polygon give information about the area of any building, any pond, or any field. So let's say if I'm marking this one, so it's easily give the information about some that how much area is there. Just simply go to measurement, go to area, hectare, in acres, in square feet, in square yards, a square meter. So you will easily get that up. Third one is path. So path is basically help us in getting the length of any area. Let's say from the gate to the last point, what is the length? Simply I will select the length, mark it, and I will get the measurement. 84 meter is there. Also, one more important uh, I can say information about that path. Just go to simply path, and if I want to know the slope of any area from point A to point B, it will give me slope as well. Simply, I'm starting from uh, this road to the last. Just go and save it. Simply go to that path, right click, show elevation profile. So it will also give me the elevation. Then that where is the highest elevation and where is the lowest elevation. It will also give me information about average slope, maximum slope, how much distance is there. So for any building, any small to small building or a big road, you can get that. Then come to image overlay. So if you have some images of, let's say 20 years back, 30 years back, you can use that imagery for your georeferencing purpose. Georeferencing means the digital, you can use the image digitally in Google Earth. And next one is your movie maker. You can also record a tour in that. Next come to historical imagery. So this is one of the best feature in Google Earth Pro. Can anybody tell me uh, what is the meaning of historical imagery in Google Earth?
It is a database of all the previous satellite images at different resolution as per the available technology at that time,
Yes,
but false color coded. And as we go in the past, we get fewer details.
yes. So uh, thank you so much, sir. So I'm starting from 1985. So there is nothing in 1985. And next, I will get the data from 2010. See, there is nothing. No construction in 2010. Then I'm moving next. 2012, no construction is there. 2013, only the boundary work is happened. 2014, some construction is started. 2014, 2016, some construction is there. 20, 2017, 2019, 2021, 2024. So basically, the historical imagery help us to get the information about a place or a area that how much is expanding throughout the years, which will which is also help us to get more insight about the urbanization kind of thing, that how much area is urbanized during this period. So these are some tools which help us uh, to identify. Now come to use the map which I've shown you in Bhuvan or India WRIS. How can you use the maps in minutes? So basically for using the map, go to add, image overlay, refresh, and a parameter is called WMS parameter, Web Map Services. So basically Web Map Services refers to some links which a user can use the data for visualization purpose only, not for downloading purpose and other purpose. So let's say if I'm going for land use land cover of, let's say going for Delhi, any part of Delhi, Sangam, Bihar, I'm going for Delhi. So this is the Delhi. Then I go for the data in terms of land use land cover. Go to add, image overlay, refresh, WMS parameter. Then it will ask for WMS server. Select or add WMS server URL. Just you have to copy the URL from the website and paste it. Go to add. And for URL, we have to go to uh, our portal. Let me show you. Go to Bhuvan portal, then go to thematic services, search theme, let's say land use land cover, select state for Delhi, then go to web services, select web services, and for open layers and Gaia users, web map tile services. So we are not using WMTS, we are using WMS services for QGIS, UD, ArcGIS, and other users. Simply go to URL, copy the URL, not the inverted commas, only the URL. Select it, copy it, go to Google Earth, paste it, okay. So the data is here of so many data is. You'll find data of every state. So for Delhi, how to search the data? Simply from the starting two letters, that is Delhi is referred to DL, search DL, we'll search the DL, 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 LULC 50K, LULC 50K 1560. Select it, add, select it, apply, and okay. Also, if you want to see the, see the accuracy, go to transparency, just clear the transparency, you'll see the data. Let's say there is some area I want to mark it as according to the information. So for go to polygon, mark it and save it by the name. So other data like drainage information, some other information, geomorphological information, salt affected area information, you can get it from Huan and you can use in Google Earth. For other data, like for latest data, go to India Varis. So basically, why I'm talking about using of Google Earth. So all of us are working, or we are researchers. These kind of data sets and the simple tool will help us to better manage the water. Go to India Varis, then go to utilities, GeoViewer. So in GeoViewer, there are plenty of information is there. You just simply select the information you need in the race in utility, go to the plus sign, that is add data, LULC 2005 to 2018, agro regions, reservoir information, aquifer system information, wasteland information, tree cover, groundwater stations, water bodies information, soil information. Then next, you'll find some aquifer litholog data is there, plenty of data in the system. So I request you to visit the website and explore for uh, more knowledge. So simply, if I want to use the land use land cover from India Voice, just go to land use land cover and go to details. In the details, you will find URL. Copy the URL, go to Google Earth. The process is same. Add image overlay, refresh, WMS parameter, add, paste it, okay. and from year 2005-6 to 17-18. Let's say if you're going for 2005 and 6, select. So this is the land use land cover pattern of the LDF year 2005 and 6, which is readily available on the website. Then if I select for 17-18, add, select 17-18, apply. See, you will, the more you explore, the more you will get to know about the information, about the detailed information. There's a use of Google Earth Pro, and this is all for the session. If anyone have any questions related to the first session or the second session, please let me know. Anyone, if anyone have any question, please let me know.
I only have a suggestion as a scientist.
Yes, sir.
And it is a practical suggestion because from 8th standard onwards, here lakhs of people in Goa use Google Earth for law enforcement and for public advocacy, including historical imagery and all. It has become a big, powerful democratic tool, digital tool in the hands of civil society in Goa. Very powerful. And my suggestion is I have not seen even in Goa University, NIO or anywhere, a people-oriented, simple 2 or 3 days training course which you can think of. I think Google Earth Pro training is very important, and you can CSE can launch a dedicated course for this, for which you will get tremendous support all over India. You can even collaborate and cooperate with Google in company as well, because
Sure.
this is histories and civilizations most powerful digital tool which can empower even a semi-educated person, because he can see the past, he can see the present, and he can predict the future. So
Yes.
will you take this suggestion? I'm not saying
Yes, sir.
immediately it is
Surely,
required.
sir. Surely. It's well
Yeah.
noted, sir. And I will
Create
talk to my superior
Google Earth
regarding.
and its applications.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Empower civil society.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sure, sir. So, I'm looking in the chat box. Purti is asking, is there any website similar to Bhuvan where we can get similar data maps across globe? So I think Deves has also replied. USGS, Copernicus is there. EOSDIS you can use for that. Nandakumar sir also replied, Sentinel-2 land cover data.
See, I was disappointed by Bhuvan because I joined, registered, signed, and everything when I was teaching a ecology course. The problem is when we talk about various types of this, now somebody sent, one Mr. Lime sent here, is knowledgeable person. He has used ArcGIS, I think Sentinel-2 Land Explorer. There are many, like I use Fire Maps, Fire Information System of NASA with 3 satellites. And these reports go to our forest minister almost on daily basis. So we recently had lots of wildfires. The point is you should mention the resolution. Nobody mentions resolutions. What is the separation of objects that you see? I have seen now in Google 5-meter resolution, sir, almost like spy satellites. And actually, if you see that after certain this one, you get very fuzzy, hazy pictures. And besides, there are concerns about military installation, naval installation, airfields, airports. This cannot be obviously given in detail, as you understand. So you
Yes.
see that these built-in limits should be explained properly. What is the best resolution? And for every location in Google Earth also, you will find when you move the cursor that the date changes in the bar.
Yeah. Yes. 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 Sir, yes.
So these resolution in meters, you need to explain. When you
Mhm.
mention a site like India Water Portal, what is the resolution? 50 meters, 20 meters, useless. Give me 50 centimeter and I can produce miracles in India. 50 centimeter resolution maps you give me.
Yes. So, Jaita, you are asking that how can you view the legend? So, for viewing the legend, you have to go back to Bhuvan portal and take a screenshot from there, and you can use that. Also, you can use all the uh, WMS layer in QGIS as well as ArcGIS for your use, and also you can create maps uh, from both the software. Okay, Mr. Gaurav, I'm showing you it again. Gaurav, my slide is
Yes,
screen is
yes, it's
visible.
visible. Yes, yes.
Okay. So for adding the WMS layer, just go to add and image overlay, refresh WMS parameter, and just paste your WMS. Got it?
Yes.
After pasting, you will get the transparent layer data. Select it, add it, and you will just select it, apply, OK. Clear?
Thank you.
Okay. Yes, yes, Varunji, you can overlay save file as well in Google Earth. Let me show you. So for overlaying any GIS data, just simply go to Google Earth, go to File, Open. You will see the data sets you can use in Google Earth. Google Earth, images, GPX, generic text, GeoJSON, easily save file. So for adding the save file, go to easily save file, open it, and it will automatically go to the place where it belongs. Also, you can add your CSV file as well. That is comma delimited files. If you are creating for any place, if you have a Excel file and you want to import all the latitude, longitude in Google Earth, you can add this in minutes. Yes, yes, Jaita, you can easily view the legend in QGIS and RGS as well. So, anyone have uh, some other question? More question? Okay, okay, okay. Slow. Okay. So for slow, uh, let me come where my office is located. Let me come to the place. Mm, So our office is located somewhere in the area. Let's say from the road. If I want to know about the slope of the area, simply for that, I will go to add path, mark a point from part A to B, save it, Simply click here, show elevation profile. It will give me elevation profile. The elevation profile will also help you to get to know about any area that where the flood might occur or where the water will go. It will help us to uh, construct some water harvesting structure as well. Also, it will use in creating check dams, ponds, etc. It will also help us in creating roads as well. That very slow fare portal. So basically, the tool will help us to minimize our time. If we are doing some exercise, home exercise on this, and then I'm going to field, then it will give me a clear understanding that where I should focus, where I should not. So any more question related to uh, Google Earth Pro, the portals? There is a portal called Nuxi. I forgot about that. Let me show you. For TopoSeed, download called Nakse, Naksh. So online maps, surveyofindia.gov.in. Simply go here. There are some plenty of products is here. Online series map, free PDF, village boundary database, digital geographical map, georeference color raster. Some are paid, some are freely available. So the TopoSeed map is free available. Just simply click here. Then it will ask you for the TopoSeed number and uh, login detail. Simply sign in, put your TopoSeed number and easily download. Plenty of data set is there, but it's some are paid, some are free. The topographical map is there. You can download. So I request everyone to on their camera for a group photograph. Swati, can you take it, the group photo?
Can you all please switch on your cameras? I see only a few people with the cameras on.
No problem, sir.
Can you
Jan?
see me, Madam Swati Bhatia?
Yes, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
So this is all about today's session. We have Q&A session of 15 minutes tomorrow. I
Do
will
you
share
guys
the link.
want to send you a bouquet? How to send you a bouquet for this presentation? Or a
Sir,
mithai or something?
you can send virtually bouquet, sir, on that group, sir.
So you can all, so you, there's a feedback section which would be accessible to everyone. So you can write special comments for Vivek there if you want.
So tomorrow we have a Q&A session, 3 to 3:15 p.m. I will share the link by tomorrow. Also, I request everyone to please join our webinar. For registering our webinar, simply go to Moodle. Let me open the Moodle. go to announcement section. Or not. Then you will find CSC webinar announcement. Why do city get submerged? Click here. You'll find the detail about the session. So there are some eminent speakers are there from World Bank as well as Ghana, and Union Ministry of Earth Sciences is there. So the webinar is happening on June 30th, 3 to 4 p.m. It's mandatory for all to join to completing the course. Also, after that, tomorrow I will upload an assignment in the Moodle. So I request everyone to go through assignment, complete it, and I will give 10 to 15 days time to completing the assignment. Submit it, and after that a feedback section is there. Go to feedback, and you submit your feedback regarding the session. If I talk about the people, how many people have attended? 43 people attempted the quiz 1. Quiz 2 is around 35. So I request everyone to please complete the quiz by 13th June, so that we can proceed for like next class. Thank you all for joining us. We'll see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. for your question and answer. You can ask as many questions if you have.